fucked with the wrong bull. Come here! You should have learned your place on the fucking basketball court. But you fucking monkeys never get the message. My father gave me that truck, you motherfucker. You ever shoot at firemen? You come here, you shoot at my family? I'm gonna teach you a real lesson now, motherfucker. Put your fucking mouth on the curb.
Come on, man.
Put it on the curb right now! That's it. Now say goodnight. Put your weapon on the ground! Put your hands up! I said get your hands up! Now turn around!